Happy Tuesday, class! These upcoming weeks will wrap up our time together. Where did the time go, right? I have really enjoyed all of your contributions, both in discussions and individual essays and presentations. I really do admire the sacrifice many of you are making to fulfill your long-term goals. I've truly been inspired. Well, let's not get too sentimental. We're not done yet. We still have our final research paper to complete and the final essay exam. If you've ever done research, you know it can take some time. However, you don't have that much time. That's why I suggest really focusing on and utilizing resources over the next couple weeks. These resources include, but are not limited to, the MSJC Library website, 24/7 librarians, NetTutor, your classmates, and your instructor. You'll also notice that this week you have access to both weeks 5 and week 6. This is because our course ends on a Thursday, and I wanted you to be able to work on whatever you need to in order to complete your tasks on time. Please take time to really look at the due dates of each assignment. If there's any confusion, let me know immediately. This class doesn't seem to have any problem speaking up and asking questions. I like that. Now, let's jump into the discussion. This discussion post asks you, 1, to decide what your research topic will be, and 2, to post one of your entries from Essay 4, annotated bibliography. As always, try to be an asset to your classmates in the responses you give. Have a great week, and let's finish strong.